The aim of this video is to do item 8, completely factorize each of the following. So the keyword is factorize, which means my final answer must be one term, so it's brackets being multiplied together. So look at A, 3x squared minus 12x. They share in each term, so this is term 1, there's term 2. Each term has a 3 as well as x. So one way to do it is to write the common factor, highest common factor, 3x. Then you divide each of the terms by 3x. You don't have to write this step, I'm just showing this step. So you keep the 3x, then 3 cancels 3, and x squared divided by x is x. Write the minus, x cancels x, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. And you can check that you get that answer when you expand these brackets. So it's factorized, because I have two factors being multiplied to give 3x squared minus 12x. B is a trinomial. It's m squared minus 7m plus 6. So first I'll look at the last number, 6. The factors of 6 to get 6 is 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. Then I'll focus on the plus. So it needs to add up to give the middle term of 7. That's 1 and 6. So I'll write two brackets, both with m. One of them 1, one of them 6. The middle has a plus, or sorry, a minus. So both of them will have a negative. So when it's a plus at the end, you look to the middle, and they must have the same sign. And you can expand this, you can check that you agree. It's a minus 1, a minus 6. In C, I'm first going to expand the bracket so that I get x squared minus 16 plus 3x plus 12. Then collect the like terms. The like ones are minus 16 and plus 12. So minus 16 add 12 is negative 4. Now look at the third constant. There it is, 4. Factors of 4, 1 times 4, 2 times 2. Next to the 4 it says negative. So I want a difference of the middle term, which is 3. That will be 1 times 4. So I have a bracket with x and another one with x. One of them is 1, one of them is 4. Because it's a minus at the end, there are different signs. You look at the middle, it says plus 3. Plus is then for the bigger factor, 4, and minus for the smaller factor. Again, you can expand and check that you get x squared plus 3x minus 4. The last one, but different, it's not monic. So I look at this 2 in front and a 2 at the back, and I multiply them together. So I get the number 4. The factors of 4 are 1 times 4, 2 times 2. Next to the final 2 at the end, the plus, means I need to add to get 5. That's 1 and 4. Because it's a minus, the plus at the end means they're the same. Because it's a minus, both must be negative. So now I break it into pieces, 2m squared. Then it's minus 4m minus 1m plus 2. Now look at the first two. Look for common factor. They share 2m. So I'm left with m take 2. The next two doesn't look like they share anything, but whenever it starts with a negative, take it out. So if I take out the negative, it's still m, but the plus here, divided by the negative in front, gives me the negative 2, which I need. So same bracket, bring the bracket to the front, and I'm left with 2m minus 1. Don't forget the 1. There's a 1 here in front of the bracket. You can expand and check that you agree. Thank you.